You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, this is the March Madness Digital Mystery Box. When you purchase this, you get immediate access to all the images I'm about to show you. All you have to do is go to Design Space, log out, log back in, and they will be there. At the end of this video, I'll show you links to where you can find all of the images I'm showing you in the video. Continue watching to learn how you can save 50% on this mystery box. It's $29.95, so you can save 50%. My discount code does not work on digital images and will not work on this mystery box. All right, here's the Love SVG files. These will not be in access. They're licensed, and with this mystery box, you have premium access. You get 50% off. This is an amazing deal. And look how cute these are. These are Summer Forever, sweet as a melon, Summer Sweet Summer, Resting Beach Face, Forever Summer, Take Me to the Beach, Salty but Sweet. Love this anchor. Isn't that cute? And I love these. And you can do a lot of different things with these, and I think I'm going to show you that in my Saturday morning Design Space class. I'll show you how you can change some of these. I love this Don't Give a Flock. Let Summer Begin. These are so cool. Let's see what's next. Sweet Dreams, Phrases, and Sentiments. This one will be in access, but not for 3 months. So if you want to use any of these now, you have to get it now. And some of these will write. Isn't this the cutest to be inside a birthday card? You can have your Cricut write this. In my video, I'll try to show you how you can change the colors of the pens. So you can write these with different pen colors. But these are awesome sayings to be put on the inside of cards. And this one I think is really cool. Keeping it real, authentic, one day at a time. This would be a great t-shirt. And you could do these in different colors too. I'll show you how to do that. You are a blessing from heaven. Oh, and I like this one. I can tell by your smile that we're going to be friends. This would be great to send to a new neighbor or something, or bring it to a new neighbor with a little gift. Welcome to the neighborhood. Sweet Dreams. This would be great in vinyl above somebody's bed. 100% naturally awesome. I know a few people that would wear this on a t-shirt. Snuggle Bunny. Actually, I can. I think everybody needs this because you can do anything you put your mind to. So these are cute. I love this too. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Okay, let's see what's next. Hide and Seek, Phrases and Sentiments. This is another one that will be in Cricut Access in 3 months. But not before. And tomorrow morning, well, not morning, tomorrow at noon Eastern time, I'm going to be doing a video to show you how some of these go together. These may look like difficult cards, but they're so easy. And they come with envelopes. This one is just writing. It's all completely writing, and a lot of these have writing on them. Crafting is my cardio. These are so cute. Like, look, all these little dots. You don't want to stick all those little dots on there. You don't have to. These are awesome. Let me insert these real fast so we can just go through one of these really quick. So they all have the envelope. And let me scroll down here. We're going to ungroup it so we can get the envelope out of the way. And then everything's, look at these letters. Let me zoom in here. I love the look at these. Look at those. They look like really 3D. You pull them apart. That is one. And this one, it writes all those little lines on it. You could just do this one. You don't have to do this one on top of it, but you can if you want. And then you have this piece and this piece. And this makes this stand out and give it more dimension. And then this piece, it has these lines written on it. And so those kind of match up with those orange lines there. These orange lines are written on it. But then these are all just circles cut out. And this is the one behind it. These are so much fun to put together. So I'm going to do this live. I'm going to put them together. If you get the box and you want to cut some of these out, you can put them together with me. And the next one is mandalas. Look at these. Some of them are right and some of them are cut. So if you wanted to like write some of these, you can color, make big coloring books. These are awesome. You could cut it in vinyl or iron-on. Ooh, it's just like a snowflake. It's pretty. So I'm going to play around with these images on Saturday morning and see if we can do something fun with them. And what's next? Oh, Dreaming Tree. Okay, these will never be in Access. I'm just showing you the Dreaming Tree projects. In the description below, there's a link to a Patreon post, which is public for everyone to use. And I have links to all of these that we're looking at. So you're going to have a link to each image set. You're going to have a full link to all the Dreaming Tree images included in this. But then you also get a link to these projects where it has instructions and video instructions for each of these. Isn't that cool? So here's like a project, and then you click here and it takes you to the video that shows you how to do it. We're going to go back. It shows you what it is. It's $0 to cost because if you buy the Cricut mystery box, you get it. And it shows you what those images are. So let's see the next one. That's pretty. These, and I love the envelopes with the bow on there. These would be great for Mother's Day. This would be really pretty if you use this, and then you could use one of the other sets to write on the inside like this one. Best wishes for a fabulous birthday, or from all of us, thank you. Any of these could be written inside the card. It's so pretty, and again, a video. And look at this one, Dreaming Tree, King of the Castle card. This is a cascading card that's shaped like a castle. Isn't that awesome? And again, there is a video. So if you have premium access, you get this whole thing 50% off. Look at that. Dreaming Tree Mom. This is great for Mother's Day. There's also a video on this too. These are not hard when you follow along with the video. And next, Dreaming Tree Hummingbird Paper Sculpture. This is like in a frame and it has hummingbird and flowers. It's so pretty. And you can do this in any color you want. There's also a video and supply list. And what's next? There's more. Look how cute that is. A honeybee fairy house. Oh, I think I have to make this. Look at how cute. Oh, so cute. Look at the little bees. Oh, that's so cute. Isn't it cute? There's also a video. What's next? Dad, they didn't forget Father's Day. This is a gift box. This lifts off and it's a box. Look at how cute that is. And think of the pattern paper you could use for this. This is so cute. And they make it so easy with the video instructions. And a butterfly paper sculpture. So there's 2 butterflies in here with flowers. And it's the frame and everything. Look at how pretty the buttercup flowers and vase. Let's go see what the next picture is. Look how pretty that is. It includes the vase is made out of paper, and there's a video tutorial to show you how to do it exactly like the picture. Hey guys, for this video I'm posting on a Patreon post that will be public, available to everybody. So you can have all the links. So here's the post that you can buy the digital mystery box here, and here's a link for you to purchase the premium access. If you want 50% off this box, you have to purchase premium access first, then go in and purchase the box. My discount code does not work on this because it does not work on digital images. You can watch the video here that you're watching right now. There's another link if you want to watch it later. And then here are some links to the images that you get, the mandalas. All of these will take you to those in Design Space to the image sets. If you scroll down a little bit, these are all the projects. So you can easily find these projects. you can get to this Patreon post in a link in the description of this video. So if you go down below the video, you may have to click a little arrow to open up the description, or click on show more and you'll see the full description and you'll get a link to this post. Remember, there's a link in the description to purchase the mystery box. I do get a small commission from that, and I really appreciate it. It's no extra cost to you. And don't forget to enter my 100,000 subscriber thank you. There's a video up in the cards. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow at noon Eastern Time in the next live video. Bye!